What's up, guys? It's cold here in southwest Nova Scotia, and it's only getting colder and giving more snow for the weekend. So today, we've partnered up with BELARNI to install, test, and review their new upper doors for the Can-Am Maverick X3. Let's do it. Alright, we got our roof back on and our upper doors in. They're looking pretty good. Better than some of the others I've seen. BELARNI.com. Check them out. Upper doors for your Can-Am Maverick X3. And they got other goodies on there too. BELARNI.com. Let's go for a ride. Yeah, look how much visibility we got out here. I like it. They're definitely doing their job. It was hot in here. I had to put the window down. Thank you, BELARNI. BELARNI, baby. Now let's unbox these BELARNIs and see what we're working with. So initial reaction, yeah, they definitely look like they have bigger window in them. To be able to see a little better at the machine. I like it. Let's put them in. I'm just going to tack it on loose for now until I get a good fit, and then I'll tighten everything up. Putting it on loose allows you to move it a little bit while you're installing it to get it a proper fit. So I've already got a strip of Velcro on my doors from previous upper doors I've had. We're just going to leave that on. But if not, pretty simple. Line it up and apply it there. In my case, yeah, this has double-sided tape onto it that you would take off, but in my case I just need to take the Velcro strip right off. That's where that needs to be. this is a nice little feature, place to put your, access your mirrors. The other side I actually already had the mirror on. I just slid it right over top of the mirror. Didn't even take it off. All right, let's get that roof back on.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.